In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Circle. So as a creator, we'll start by creating your Circle community. First, sign in, create your community, choose a name, and add your branding and basic details. You'll also choose whether your community is public so people can discover it or private so only members can access it. Before inviting anyone, it's a smart idea to create a test member account so you can see the experience from the member side and make sure everything feels right. Next, set up your community structure. A helpful way to think about Circle is this. You have the overall community, then space groups, then spaces, and inside those spaces, your content. For a creator community, you might organize areas like Start Here, General Discussion, Members, Courses, Events, and Premium Content. This structure keeps everything easy to navigate. After that, create a member space so people can discover and connect with one another. This can act like a networking directory. Then create a discussion space using a post format. This is where conversations happen, including questions, announcements, tips, feedback, challenges, and member wins. It's one of the main places where you'll regularly engage with your audience. If you teach or sell knowledge, create a course space. Circle supports self-paced, structured, and scheduled courses. Build your course using sections and lessons, and upload resources through the Files tab. Inside each lesson, add videos, text, PDFs, links, resources, discussions, and activities. A strong lesson flow is simple. Start with a title and short introduction. Then add the video, written explanation, a downloadable resource, an action step, and a discussion prompt. You'll also want an event space for live experiences like workshops, Q&As, webinars, coaching, meetups, or guest sessions. Open that event space, create a new event, add the title, date, time, recurrence, location, and description, then save the draft, finish setup, and publish it when ready. To monetize your community, connect Stripe, and create paywalls. Circle supports one-time payments, subscriptions, installments, and multiple pricing options. Then build your membership plans and connect each paywall to the right spaces so buyers automatically get access to the content they paid for. Be sure paid spaces are set up privately to protect restricted content. You can also customize your checkout page with images, benefits, badges, testimonials, and pricing details. From there, create a Start Here onboarding space and add a welcome post explaining how the community works, what new members should do first, and where important spaces are located. Once your setup is complete, promote your community across social media, newsletters, your website, and your network. Finally, stay active, reply to comments, start discussions, host Q&As, run workshops, review analytics, and improve the member experience over time. Circle can become the central hub for your content, courses, events, community, and offers as your creator business grows.